In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cyberpunk 2077 not launching. So first thing you want to do is go here and tap in Task Manager. Now here, you have to just shut down the game completely. So if you see the game running in the background, just make sure to shut it down. Shut down Steam as well. If you see it Steam running, also make sure you shut down any game launchers that you're not using. So if you see it here, just right click and then add task. And then what you need to do is go to Steam, then right click and then go to properties. Now go to compatibility and then run this program in compatibility mode. Then click disable full screen optimization. Then run this program as an administrator. Then click apply and then OK. After that, you can check if this fixes the issue. And if it doesn't, just go here, type in CMD, run as administrator. Type in sfc/scan now and then press enter. And once it's done scanning, you can check if this fixes the issue. If it doesn't, go to device manager and update your display drivers. So you can update them by going here and choosing the display and then clicking update, clicking next to update. And this should fix the issue, and make sure to restart your computer.